Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make different paper size in one document. So guys, if you need some different sizes paper in only one document, so you can make it like page layout. Click and first page is A4 and you want to make second page as different size. So here make in the last your cursor, then click on insert and here click on page break. So here guys, you have to make your cursor in page. Then now here guys, just you have to click on page layout and here the option break. Now select next page, and now in this page you can change different size like this. Again click on break and click on next page. So as we can see here, document pages are different size. Very simple and easy way. Make cursor page and then click on break and click on next page, and here in size you can set different size for different pages. So thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.